Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Gilisoft Movie DVD Converter 2023. Now I am going to download Gilisoft Movie DVD Converter. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Type in Google search bar, download Gilisoft DVD Converter. Click on first official website link, www.gilisoft.com. Now I am going to download trial version. Now the downloading is started. It is 17.9 MB software. After downloading complete, close web browser. Let's double click on this PC. Click Downloads. Here it is our software. Let's right click on it, click Open. Click Yes. Let's close download. Click OK. Click Next on Welcome Wizard. Click I accept the license agreement. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next again. Click Install. Now our Gilisoft software is installed successfully. Right now I am not launching the software, so we will remove the check from it. Click Finish. Now open the Gilisoft software. As you can see, this is our trial version. Here it is asking us to purchase the software. This option asking us to register the software. If you have the registration code, then you can register it. But in this demo lab, I will choose evaluate this version. So here you can convert any DVD to any video format. Let's close this software. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to install Gilisoft Movie DVD Converter 2023 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.